Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the Santa Bear does in Grow a Garden. It is redeemable via the winter egg. It is a legendary pet and it looks like this. Basically, it will occasionally spawn a random Christmas gift. You will need to find it in your garden or anywhere, I actually don't know, to get a reward. And yeah, that's pretty much it really. It doesn't do much, but yeah. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. And let me know if you found your gift in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!